Hello friends, today we shall see how useful creating quizzes by using Google Forms is. Suppose I have this link for my MCQ tests I had created for semester 6 on prose. This is the way it looks to the students when you send them the link. Here this form is collecting email addresses. Here I have added a field for name of the student and college. After that I have given the questions with multiple choice question options with multiple options. At the end of this quiz, let me just scroll down so that we can come to the end. We can make sections in this as well, but I have made it a continuous one. We reach the end. When the student comes to this place, he will or she will submit the form. While preparing this form, this is the way it looks to us. We can make any additions. The settings we need to do, the general settings are collect email addresses, response receipts if the respondent wants it, only then, but no, I want to give the response receipts always. Limit to one response, you can do this so that the student or the respondent cannot give another response. Then the presentation, you can show the progress bar so that the student can know where he is. You can shuffle the question orders, and also you can show the link to submit another response. You can put a confirmation message. I have written here, you have submitted successfully. You can also write anything like your response has been recorded or thank you for your response. This one is important, quizzes setting. You have to enable this to make this a quiz. Only then you will be able to assign point values to the questions and also automatically release the grades. Now there are options to release the grades in both ways. One is immediately after each submission or later after manual review. Suppose you have included a question which is of a descriptive type which needs manual evaluation, then you can release the grade manually after evaluating. Then the respondents, after they submit the quiz, along with the grades, along with the marks they have got for the quiz, they can see the questions which they have missed answering and also the correct answers, the correct responses, the correct options to their questions. After we save this, the versatility of this can be seen from the responses. We get a summary of the responses. Here I have 91 students who have appeared for this quiz. I get a report about the frequently missed questions so that I can concentrate on the remedial teaching for question number 4, 10 and 14. I can give them feedback about those questions. I can concentrate on those. These are the email IDs of the students, name of the student and his or her college. Here I can see various colleges students have appeared for this online quiz created by me. Also, question wise I can see how many students, how many percentage of students have. Suppose this first question, I can see that the correct answer was option number 3 and 66 students out of 91, that is 72.5 students have attempted the or given the answer correctly. Okay. So this summary is very important for us to gain a knowledge, to gain an understanding of how much the students have learnt or understood from the quiz. Also we have an individual summary. Instead of individual, we can have question wise reports too. So we can see which the responses, how many people have, how many students have responded to how many questions, and the total point distribution of this. In individual responses, we can see respondent. Suppose I want to see the response for respondent number. If I want to see by number, I can go this way, or if I suppose wish to see a response for maybe Komal Suryavanshi, so for this student, and then I can go down, look where she has gone wrong. Sorry. So I can see on the top and the total marks she has scored, and also take a look at which question she has missed or attempted, which one she has chosen the wrong option. Also, a very nice feature of this Google form is that you can view the responses in an Excel sheet. So yes, so I get the timestamp at what time the student has completed giving the quiz, time and date. I have the email addresses in a sheet, the scores, all of them together, then the name of the student and the college, and what this is the question wise report. I get to know what option each student has given for this. So I can get this type of report, or I can go here, and there is one more way. This is get email notifications for new responses. Each student, whenever you have a new response, you get a mail that you have got a new response to so and so quiz of yours. Also, you can download these responses as a CSV document. So again, this form, Google form, is a very nice way of conducting internal valuation. Sorry for this. Yep, we'll have to wait for this. So it's a very easy way to not only create quizzes, but also to get the reports for the quizzes. So I think that's it. Next video will be on Google Docs. Thank you.